A short story about time travel. Time travel is the idea of moving to the past or the future in just a moment, and it has fascinated people for many years. Many books and movies talk about time travel, and they show how exciting and dangerous it can be. Scientists say time travel is not possible yet, but people still love to imagine how it might work someday. The idea of time travel makes us think about our memories and the things we wish we could change. Some people dream about going back in time to fix mistakes or make better choices. Others dream about visiting the future to see amazing inventions and new worlds. In this story, a young boy named Sam finds an old pocket watch that looks very mysterious and special. When he opens the watch, he sees strange lights moving inside as if they were alive. Suddenly, the watch begins to glow brighter, and Sam feels the world around him start to change. In just 1 second, he is no longer in his room, but standing in a place that looks like the past. He sees people wearing old clothes, working with tools, and living without modern technology. Sam realizes he has traveled back in time without meaning to. Sam walks around the old town and learns how people lived many years ago, and everything feels new and surprising to him. He watches children play simple games, and he notices how families work hard to get food and water. He is amazed by how quiet life is without cars, phones, or electricity everywhere. Sam also understands that life in the past was not easy, even though it looked peaceful. He feels grateful for the technology and comforts he has in his own time. After some minutes, the pocket watch starts glowing again, calling him back. When Sam opens the watch once more, he is suddenly returned to his room as if nothing happened. He sits on his bed and thinks deeply about what he saw during his short time travel experience. Sam realizes that the past has many lessons that can help him appreciate the present. He also understands that every time has its own beauty and challenges, and people must learn from both. The magical watch stops glowing, but Sam keeps it as a reminder of his adventure. He knows he will never forget the day he traveled through time and learned something important about life. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.